Alright, let's continue expose some of the feature inside the constraint layout. I will start with dragging two buttons inside the constraint layout. So to do some element, we can add the constraint. For example, if I want to have the left alignment to this button, I can just using this add the constraint to the edge of the button. You can see a little space here because the constraint have the margin, so you can just select the margin to 0 from the attribute window. If you want to have the left alignment, let's delete the constraint. You can just add the constraint to the left edge of the button and remember to clear the constraint. If you want to align the button is in the center of these two buttons, so we can, to demonstrate you, maybe I have to make some adjustment. I will make the width for the button a little bit bigger. So I drag left and right alignment to left edge to the left edge, right edge to the right edge. Remember to clear the margin. So you can see if you have the constraint between the left edge and the right edge, that means you are in the center alignment. If you want the button is in the center, horizontally, vertically, then you can just add the constraint at the top and the bottom of the parent view. So again, remember to remove the margin so that it's actually centered vertically. At the top of the UI, you can have a one little button to clear all the constraint. Let's clear it. Clear again. And I have to make the button a little bit bigger to show you another feature of the alignment, which is aligned according to the baseline. For example, when you select the button and then you have a little button pop up, you click this and then you have a little bar appear under the text of the button. So click it and drag it to the another button. Then you will have the alignment is at the bottom of the both of the text. Let's clear all the constraints. One of the features is we can add the invisible line in the user interface. For example, this is the guideline alignment. I can add the vertical or the horizontal guideline. So we can just add it. And then you can see the guideline is inside the constraint layout, and then you can adjust it by dragging along the user interface. So whenever you set the guideline, then your other view also can have the constraint on it. For example, the button, I can add the constraint on the guideline. So you also can add more guideline vertically. So you can adjust it. And then you can add a constraint to the vertical guideline. Let's clear all the constraints and remove the guideline. I'm going to show you the last feature I want to teach you, which is the contour linear group with a change for the number 3 value. Is the weight feature. So basically it's work similar with the layout weight in the linear layout. So let's start with we set back the button to the web constraint, web content, and then I drag another button inside the user interface, and then I'm going to select these 3 buttons and Quick to change by select this button and select the horizontally packed. And I want to make it align at the bottom. So we are ready to try our layout wave. So go to the XML code. We are going to add an attribute called layout constraint horizontal width, and then I set to 1 for each button. And remember, because we want to have the layout constraint horizontal width, so we must create the 0 dp for the width attribute. So go back to the design page. You can see that all the buttons will have the same width. If I change the button on the button to 3, this button will take a small space than other, which is button 7, which is the button 7. So basically it's work similar to the layout width inside the linear layout. So I guess that is all the feature I want to introduce you about the constraint layout. That's all from me. Thank you very much.